welcome. Merry Christmas. It's not quite Christmas yet, but we're in the mood. It's in the season,
yes.
So we're near. Oh, welcome back to our channel, guys. I'm Joe.
I'm Lisa.
This is going to be our third in the series of Come Dine With Me, where we collab with some YouTubers, mostly Jamaican, well, so far all Jamaican YouTubers, and we love it. This is our Christmas edition.
Yes. So the YouTubers we have this time around are,
we'll put the link on the screen so you'll see, and we'll put it in the description box as well.
Yeah.
So it's 5 o'clock.
Yes, and Come Dine With Me starts
at
6 o'clock is the starter.
Yeah,
and we're doing the starter this time round. So let's go to
we're going to show you, we're going to take you to the kitchen and show you what we have in store for our guests.
Yes,
we've got the table ready,
all set.
It's all set.
Gifts,
we've got
out.
Gifts for them.
Yeah.
I hope they bring us a gift too.
I hope so, but if not,
yeah. But guys, we hope you enjoyed this episode. We know that the starter is going to be delicious, and we also know that the main and the dessert are also going to be
awesome.
good.
Yeah.
So please remember to jump over from our channel to theirs right after the starter.
Yeah.
Come with us.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So we're making
some Jamaican ackee parcels. Ackee parcels. Focus on the ackee and the parcels.
By the way, it's ackee and saltfish parcels.
Yeah.
We're using phyllo pastry to make some little parcels, and then it will be filled with ackee. So if you imagine something like this,
yeah.
Can you see those?
Yeah. And then
filled with,
here's our ackee that was prepared earlier.
Ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, ackee and saltfish.
Right. So the plan is,
chives. So we're going to decorate the top with chives.
Okay. So garnish. The plan is to cut some squares of phyllo pastry, layer them with a little butter in between each layer. Yeah. Stuff the parcels into these muffin tins and then bake them blind which means without no filling.
Yeah.
And then once they come
just be crispy,
crunchy, crispy.
Yeah. And then we fill them with the
ackee parcels.
Fill them with the ackee and saltfish to make them into ackee parcels. This one's going to be epic.
Alright, we're going to show you how we get this done now. Alright, guys?
So these are the ingredients that we're going to use in our ackee and saltfish. Of course, the veggies must be there. They add the color. Ackee is a must, and we're using ackee from a can because that's what we have. And of course, saltfish, which has been boiled to get rid of some of the salt. And then put it all together, sauteing the vegetables first. Then add in the saltfish and the black pepper and the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce that we have. And then the last thing to add, with not much time left to go, is the ackee, because by then everything else is cooked. So that's how you do it. I suspect you all know how, but that's how you do it.
I don't think we'll need any more than 2 trays, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. More than enough. Yeah. So those who are coming. Okay, so the plan, this one has a little bit too much, but the plan is to brush some on each piece of pastry and then bake them. Alright, so that's out the way. You can also put the ackee out the way. There's the phyllo pastry. It's really very thin layers. Paper thin. So you can see, paper thin. Yeah. And then whilst you're using it, it does dry out fast. So a good tip is to cover it with a damp cloth. So this is one paper thin layer, and it is quite delicate. Cut them whilst it's on. The pieces that we need. Okay. First. Okay. I'm thinking.
Put that straight down. And then cut that maybe into 3.
Yeah.
Guys, it looks bland and plain now, but you'll see it.
Wait till you see it.
Comes out of the oven.
That's that.
Oh, I've preheated the oven 180 degrees. I'll put on the screen how much degrees Fahrenheit that is. And then in the meantime,
we cover this lot. And this, we can cover this as well. And this one.
Until we're ready for them.
Right.
Okay.
So there's
the tray.
And there's one paper thin layer that I'm just going to stuff in.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter whether if it's neat or not, it will be delectable when it's done.
Right.
So that
Leisa fills those. I'll just brush a little bit of butter
on that one layer.
And that just helps to make it crispy.
Crispy, crunchy.
A little bit of butter.
Just a little bit of butter. A little bit of butter. Just a little
bit of butter. Sing it with a Christmas theme.
Oh. Little butter goes a long way.
In the pastry filled with ackee say, yeah.
In the pastry, butter goes away. Do the tops as well, because you want those crispy.
Okay. Alright.
So I'm going to do about 3 layers in each one. Make sure they're properly brushed so they're crispy.
Make them not match up exactly. You know how?
Oh, yeah.
One? So turn it.
Alright, that one can stay.
Alright. Okay, guys, what do you think? We try not to put too much butter in, so don't worry.
Yeah. The butter really is just for the crispness. The crispity.
Crisposity. The crisposity.
Guys, I hope you like having fun when you're cooking, because it makes the food taste much better.
Make you enjoy cooking as well.
Yeah.
Try to lively up yourself like our friend Ricky.
Yes.
Guys, if you don't know Ricky Life 365, check him out.
Yep.
Especially when he's cooking. Nice airy vibe, always happy, dancey, singy. And that makes the food turn out so much better.
So all of them have 2 layers now. I'm going to put the 3rd layer in, and then that's it. Then we're going to ensure that they're brushed with butter so that they're crispy. Don't brush anymore now, because I'm going to forget which has 3, please.
Okay.
Yes.
So
they
we'll
all continue.
That one has 3.
Yeah, that's the only one that has 3.
Alright, so just fill all the others. And then I'll butter them. Little bit of butter. Little bit of butter. Little bit of butter.
3.
And then we have
another tray.
We have another tray to fill. Yeah. 3.
That's 3.
Yeah. I really hope they love our ackee parcels.
That's
ackee and saltfish parcels. By the way, guys, what other filling do you think would be suitable? And maybe Christmas themed, or if not Christmas themed, but Jamaican. What else do you think we could fill them with for a nice starter for Come Dine With Me special? I'm thinking, or shall I not say what I'm thinking?
Don't say.
Okay, you type it in the comments.
Might just have to do it
again.
Yeah.
By the way, the pastry, if you're looking for it, is called Philo pastry, F-I-L-O.
And it's really paper thin.
Paper thin and lovely. So it gets crispy easily,
and
quickly.
It takes the shape of whatever you put it in.
Yeah.
So these we're going to allow to crisp up for about 10 minutes. We'll check still to see if it's the golden brown color that we want and the crispiness that we desire as well. Next tray coming on nicely, guys. What you think?
Yes.
What you thinking? I like being creative in the kitchen, having fun, give it your best, give it your all.
And the thinking outside the box as well.
Yeah.
Because that's how recipes
taste better.
Yeah, and that's how recipes are developed. If you make the same old thing that everybody made all those years, then nothing new would be developed in terms of food. And yesterday I watched something really strange, because we Jamaicans know escovitched fish.
Woohoo!
And yesterday I saw escovitched chicken
on Daddy's kitchen,
and I want to try it one day. I think it might be nicer with fish, but maybe that's because that's what we're used to.
That you never know, it might just work out okay to have some escovitched fish. Chicken, do you need to cut another?
Yes, that's what I'm doing now.
Oh, yeah, because we need a few more pieces to make some
These
parcels.
three don't have second layer yet.
Okay, this one maybe have too much whites folding over, but there you go, he's fine. Cover up the rest of the pastry.
Yeah, you don't want it to dry out.
So a damp clean cloth to cover.
Second layer. Second layer. Now I'm going to do the third layer. Third on that side.
Yeah. You could use, if you don't want to use butter as well, you could use a spray, a cooking spray. All you want is it to be a little bit greased so that it becomes crispy in the oven. The oven is ready, I heard it. So is this the last set?
Yep.
All right, 10 should be enough.
10 what?
10 of the, oh, is it 12? We've got 12, guys. Pardon my counting ability or lack thereof.
Right, so we've got them done. They're going in the oven for 10 minutes and we'll let you see when they're back out.
Okay. Right, so there you have it, guys. 2 pre-filled phyllo parcels ready to go into the oven.
Guys, let's play a little game whilst we wait for the phyllo pastry to be baked, right? We just want them to crisp up enough so that they don't fall apart, not too crispy, but we want them crisp, right? So we're going to play this game and we want you to join in with us. We're going to take turns to act out and mime Christmas songs, and you're to tell us which Christmas song you think it is. So we're going to go to the living room and do that, and you're to play along, make sure. So, all right, Joe, I know that you and our subscribers can see me now, so guess which...
Can or can't?
Can you see me? I know they can.
Okay.
Yeah. You can just see the top of me in the mirror.
That's fine.
So tell me, guess which song I'm singing.
Right, go on.
Right, so...
Yeah, you... All I want for Christmas is you.
Right. No, let me do 2 and you do 2. Right, this one I need a guitar. So guys, this is my air guitar.
I know. What? Feliz Navidad.
Good, that was good. Right, my turn to guess your song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Which one?
Santa ketchup in a mango tree.
Yes.
Yeah. One more. This one for old time's sake and for all the little kids as well. Another one. Guys, give yourselves a pat on the back if you got those Christmas songs right.
Yeah,
right, let's go check.
Let's
before I go, I have a card, a special card that I bought for my subscribers, and I'd like to read it for them now.
That's
all our special
good.
Subscribers.
Right.
So, I class you as friends, and I really want to take this opportunity to thank you so much for all your support over 2021. Not just with our Come Dine With Me series, but all the other series we've had.
The interview series
with Leisa, Wednesday day. Those were awesome, and you should check in the description box or check on our playlist to find those. And
as well as the week
home
vlogs.
Decor, renovations, week vlogs. We really want you to check those out, and if you've already checked those out, we say a big special thank you. Anyway, to my card. I have a special card that I bought for all my subscribers, and I really want to share the sentiments, and that might be an idea for you too. You don't have to buy a card for every single person on your Christmas list. You can actually buy one card with a sentiment that you particularly like, and then share those over the phone, perhaps by a WhatsApp message to all your contacts or to your special friends and family. But here goes. For a very special friend, because I see you all that way. A very special greeting. Now that Christmas is here, may it bring the things you're wishing for and all that you hold dear, and hoping that its happiness stays with you throughout the year. It's not done, wait. Greetings of the season and special wishes too, for all the joys of Christmas are being sent straight to you. Then, looking into the year ahead and hoping that you'll find every day turns out to be the really perfect kind. I'm not done. Hold on. It's a special card, I told you. You are thought so much more of, and you do the nicest things, like checking us out each week when we go live. I wish I could find a word that rhymes with things. So, you deserve the wishes that this Christmas greeting brings. Hope this is a really happy one for you, and that it's followed too with all the special things that mean the most to you. And I hope those special things are not things, but their values and experiences.
And family.
Yeah. Okay, one last go. There's more, but I'll do one last one. Sending wishes to tell you just how wonderful you are, and hoping that this Christmas is your very best by far. For it always means so much when this lovely season is here. It's my favorite. To wish you every happiness to last throughout the year. So, may you enjoy each minute from the moment that it starts, and may it leave the nicest memories to treasure within your heart. Merry Christmas from Joe and Leisa. And thank you so much again, guys, for your lovely support through 2021. Bye. And here they are, straight out of the oven, and that's the color we want them to have. So now we're going to let them cool for just a little bit and then fill them. Guys, with these pillow parcels, you have to be so gentle. Yeah. Because they're just really delicate. Should we use a smaller spoon? We'll see. I think, yeah, let's use a smaller one. They're really delicate. They're going to be crispy and yummy though. Ooh. Looks so nice. A piece of saltfish in that one. Wonder who's gonna get that one. There. And be fair, don't fill up some and then drop enough for some. Yeah. Because you don't know who's going to take up which one.
Well, I hope nobody's allergic to ackee. Guys, do you think you'd like this? That's that. When we come back, they'll all be filled and we'll let you see. Yeah. So the popcorn of the day is salted caramel. Salted caramel is the popcorn of the day. And you, all of you are our very special subscribers of the day. Day 15 of Vlogmas, all of you are our most special subscriber of the day. So guys, we've done all the prep that we can. Yeah. They look and taste delicious. So the only thing now to do whilst we sip, and we earned this, guys. We earned this.
It's not hard work because we did some of the prep.
Lucky thing we did some of the prep because it's almost 6 now.
Yeah. Merry Christmas once again. Can't wait for them to come now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys.
Yeah, for sticking with us in this 3rd edition of Come Dine With Me. We have certainly enjoyed all 3, well, all 2 that have gone, and then the prep for this one. Yes. And we know the party part is going to be awesome as well.
Wonder who's going to be in a dancing mood. What Christmas song? Tell us in the comments. What Christmas song would you like to hear playing if you're sitting with us and you're having your starters? Christmas songs
I want for Christmas, and I can't sing it because I don't want to stress.
Mr. YouTube. But we hope you enjoy so far what you've seen. Think of your Christmas song, have it in your head.
Ready?
Cheer on the
drop it here.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, nobody said they liked our jumpers. Mine has, who is this again?
I don't know.
Some penguin
with that Christmas hat. And the Christmas tree decorations. And do you like my headgear?
Mine just covered my hairstyle, but it's okay. My hair is okay.
Right, cheers guys. Here's to everything that's good for the rest of 2021
and all the very best.
Awesome 2022. Cheers.
The door. Oh, they're at the door.
Let's go.
Merry Christmas once again.